Yo, 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 welcome back, guys. Sorry, it's been a while since I posted a video, but, yeah, so you saw the thumbnail, you saw the title, so yes, we did go to the dyno, we did get some more mods, so stay tuned and enjoy, and, if it's your first time tuning in, I appreciate it. Give it a like, give it a share, subscribe if you want, if you like the content, and hopefully more videos to come here soon, and, yeah, enjoy, guys. Started. Got to turn up the boost. Turn up the boost on the Hellcat. Alright guys, so we are doing the upper pulley, so you just gotta basically remove the windshield wipers, the blades, and remove the plastic piece and the bar, the strut bar, so you can access the bolts right here, bolts on the supercharger lid. So he's gonna start disconnecting all the wiring, just a bunch of sensor wires, disconnect all the harnesses, and then pop off the belt, and pretty much remove all the lid bolts, pop the lid off, prop the supercharger up to get to the snout bolts, and be ready to rock and roll. Got the big boy pry bar, huh? Oh yeah, just work it, huh? It's a one man.
This is what I do.
A little block, boom, that's it, huh? That's it, one little block, guys. One little block and it's ready to rock. So we almost got all the bolts out, the 6 bolts, 3 on top, 3 on bottom. About to pull the snout off so we can remove the stock supercharger pulley. So we will see, make sure that we don't break the gasket. That's one of the main things that I like to peel off. Just give it a little hammer, a mallet, break the seal. We'll see if we can get it off without. Oh, I think you got it. Oh. Yeah. Oh, to get stuck?
Yeah.
So I think the seal's good though.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good. That's good, guys, although all good. Nice. Oh yeah, like butter.
Nice.
Like butter. That's it, man. That's what you like, huh?
Yeah. Nice and easy.
That's it. Tune injectors, and I think he just bought a grip tech pulley too. So there it is, guys. There it is, boys. 802, 740. AFRs are on point. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed that. So yes, we did do the 285 Grip Tech upper pulley swap. We did the green belt. We did injectors, FIC 1200 injectors. We are on a full E85 tune. We did a trans tune, and we deleted the cats. So that's my current setup. As you saw in the videos, it made 802 wheel and I believe 740 torque, so not bad for just the upper pulley and E85 basically. But yeah, stay tuned, guys. Thanks for tuning in, and go ahead and share this with all your buddies. And yeah, until we meet again, later.